In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add more than 3 indicators in TradingView. If you've been using TradingView, you know that the number of indicators you can add to a chart is determined by your subscription plan. Let's break down these limits and explore how you can maximize your chart's potential by accessing additional indicators. First and foremost, it's crucial to understand what each TradingView plan offers in terms of indicator limits. For those using the free plan, you're limited to just 2 indicators per chart. This might be sufficient for basic tasks, but can quickly become restrictive if you require more data visibility. If you find yourself needing more, consider upgrading to one of the paid plans. The Essential, sometimes referred to as Pro, plan allows for up to 5 indicators. If you opt for the Plus or Pro Plus, you can utilize up to 10. Finally, the Premium plan gives you access to a generous allowance of up to 25 different indicators per chart, providing the ultimate flexibility for market analysis. Now, if you're thinking about trying one of these enhanced plans, TradingView offers a convenient way to test them with a free trial. To do this, head over to the TradingView website, specifically the pricing section. You can get there via tradingview.com/pricing or simply navigate through your profile drop-down menu. When you're on the pricing page, you'll notice a Try Free for 30 days option available under each plan, whether it be Essential, Plus, or Premium. Clicking on this will prompt you to enter your payment information, such as a credit card or PayPal account. Don't worry about the $1 authorization you might see. It's merely a placeholder and will be refunded shortly. If you happen to start with a trial and later feel that a different plan might suit your needs better, TradingView allows you to upgrade or even downgrade your plans easily during your free trial period. Simply access the pricing section from your account menu again. You'll find an upgrade or downgrade link under each respective plan. Clicking on this will open a confirmation pop-up box, and once you confirm, your trial plan will be updated instantly. This dynamic ability ensures you can find the most suitable plan based on your trading and analysis needs. After upgrading your plan, adding more indicators is a straightforward task. Open any chart on TradingView and click on the indicators icon represented by an FX symbol. From here, you can seamlessly add as many indicators as your upgraded plan allows. Whether it's up to 25 indicators on the Premium plan, 10 on Plus, or 5 on Essential, you'll find your charts enriched with actionable data, enhancing your analytical capabilities and insight into market trends. By following these steps, you'll be well equipped to leverage the full potential of TradingView and significantly enhance your market analysis workflow with additional indicators.